Hello friends, welcome to FinAce Analytics. In this video, we are going to learn SUMIF function of MS Excel. We are given a table which contain fruit names with quantities. We have 4 different fruits with some repetition. For example, we can see apple is there in 3 lines. We need to sum up the quantities of fruits mentioned in cell D3. SUMIF function can be used to sum up a range based on some criteria. Use SUMIF function in cell E3. The first syntax is range, which is where our fruit lies, that is column A. So we will select column A for this. Remember, criteria is something which lies in the range. Our criteria is fruit name, which is in cell D3. Sum range is the range we want to sum up, that is column B. This function is fully dynamic. If you change the fruit name in cell D3, the result will be automatically changed accordingly.